Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make baked jacket potatoes. It may seem like a very simple dish, but potatoes and cheese is a classic combination which is loved by all. You can serve them as appetizers or as a side dish along with your main course. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our potatoes and wash them well with water. Once all the dirt is removed, we are going to pat them dry. After the potatoes are dry, we are going to transfer them to a baking tray. Now we are going to brush them with a generous amount of oil. You can use any cooking oil which you like. Next, we are going to rub a generous amount of salt on them. Our potatoes are now prepped and ready to go in the oven. We are going to bake our potatoes at 200 degrees Celsius. Depending on the size of the potato, they need to stay in anywhere between 45 to 60 minutes. While our potatoes are baking, we are going to prepare the filling. For that, I've taken some grated cheese in a bowl. To this, I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. And then I'm going to season it with some herbs. I'm taking some mixed herbs. Next, I'm using some onion flakes. And lastly, some chili flakes. You can season it with anything you like. Then we're going to mix it. And your filling is ready. You can also use some chopped green chilies, onions or garlic if you want. Our potatoes are now out of the oven. We are going to let them cool for some time. Once the potatoes have cooled down, we are going to take them and cut a slit in the middle. Make sure that the slit does not reach the base of the potato. Next, we are going to take our filling and stuff it in the slit. Similarly, we are going to prep all the other potatoes in the same way. Now our potatoes are ready to go back into the oven, but this time we won't bake it for long, just until the cheese melts. We are going to put it in at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. potato is ready. If you like the video, do hit the like button and leave us your thoughts in the comments. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our future videos. Thanks for watching.